Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well out there today. Well, we have the 4th gen loaded up with the truck bed from the Mud Truck to Show Truck Project vehicle, and we are headed out to Apple Hill 4x4, a division of A&A Auto Stores, to get the bed Line-X. So why don't you hang out, sit back, relax, and I'll meet you out there at Apple Hill 4x4. Well, everyone, we made it out here to Apple Hill 4x4. Like I said, a division of A&A Auto Stores. And this is the Line-X shop out here in Williamsport area. So let's take a look at what the bed looks like before we get it all into the spray booth. So here is the bed from our Mud Truck to Show Truck Seaman build. As you can see, we got both truck sides on, or bed sides on. And I'll take you up there and show you the bed and what they're going to do. Here's the other side, which we already got it all undercoated underneath. But I already touched base with the guys. They're going to be getting ready to load the bed up onto their frame so they could take this into the Line-X booth. But here's the inside of the bed. We did POR 15 this once before, so we had to pull all this stuff out, but now the bed's all done. They're going to take this in and get it prepped up, so we're going to get this loaded up on the cart so all these guys could take it in, and maybe we'll get a little tour of the booth. So hang out, I'll be right back. Well, everyone, we got the truck bed into the shop, and we got the tailgate all here on the workhorse here, and as you can see, the guys over there, they're starting to prep the bed. But we're going to find Dustin, and he's going to give us a little talk about what's all involved in the prep work. So everybody, this is Dustin from Line-X of Williamsport, right?
Yes, it is.
All right, so this is the Line-X of Williamsport, guys. I'll put all the links in the description below, so make sure you guys go down, check that out, and give them a big thumbs up. So Dustin, what's all involved in the prep work?
Okay, so what we're doing here first is we are cleaning the holes out for you for where your bar is going to go on. So that way, when you go to put on the Line-X, will be in there, have it sealed up so you don't have to worry about any rusting or anything like that. So we just clean those holes out a little bit bigger to make the bolts fit a little nicer. Once he's done doing that, we'll get into the bed. The first step you got to do is here, like Brent's doing, you got to run wire line around because the Line-X does dry really quick. So you run a wire line around. This tape has a little wire in it, so that when you're done spraying, you peel that wire. It cuts a nice line all the way around the bed liner, and then you don't have to worry about having any kind of edge that can peel or anything like that, because the wire line does cut a nice edge where you're prepping at, and just makes a nice, clean, finished job.
I got to ask you a question on this. What's the when you start spraying it? How long does it take to cure?
About 5 to 7 seconds.
There you guys go. 5 to 7 seconds. Once these guys start working on this, the Line-X, it starts to cure. So once it's sprayed and starts to cure, how long does it take before a customer could take the truck bed out of here?
As soon as we got the truck done on tape, make sure there's no overspray anywhere we don't want it at. Got tailgates back on, all tow hooks in it, they can come pick it up immediately. It's ready for pickup at that time. Wow,
that's awesome. This stuff is amazing, guys. So we're going to let these guys finish prepping up this bed and get it in the spray booth. So hang out, and then we're going to see what the finished product looks like in a matter of maybe an hour. All right, catch you all later. Well guys, as you see, we got the truck bed all sprayed up. The guys are pushing it out here. Now they're gonna take off the prep work, or the masking and all that. And all that is the wire, isn't it? Yep. Alright guys, they finished unwrapping the truck bed, so now we're going to have Brandon tag it with their logo. Well, as you guys seen in the clips before here, Brent and Brandon got the whole truck bed unmasked, and now we're joined here with Dustin again, and we're going to go do a little walk around on what the bed liner looks like. So Dustin, what was from the time we brought the truck here to the time to where it's sitting now, how long did that take?
From the time the bed come in the shop until now sitting here, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes, about an hour, 15, hour, 20 minutes, so start to finish, done.
This process doesn't take long at all.
Nope, it don't, and as you can see, it's dry. This is even with the ultra top coat for premium to give the extra shine, extra UV protection, and it is, it's dry and it is ready to go.
Oh, we even had the guys tagged it right there.
Yep, that's the warranty tag. The warranty tag, what that is for is so if you do have any issues with the product, that is the warranty tag showing that it is a Line-X bed liner, and it is guaranteed for the original owner, coast to coast. Any Line-X dealer, you're good to go with the tag.
Okay, cool, awesome. And here's the lines where they taped off for the inside of the bed.
The bed itself, there are some guidelines through Line-X of what they want to have for thickness wise. Obviously the floor, they want the floor to be the thickest part of the material. The floor is normally about 130 mils right in that area for meet their guidelines. Same with the backs of the wheel wells. The high areas where things are going to get hit when you're loading it into the truck. Make sure those areas are the more millage, and that's where it gives you your most protection.
Awesome. Now, they even did the tailgate like you've seen in the prep work, so let's go over and take a look at the tailgate.
Same with the tailgate then as well too. Everything is the same on here. The tailgate again, it's a high use area. This you want to have the higher thicknesses of the millage on. And again, this is when we checked it when the guy was spraying, it's right around about 135 mils on the tailgate. So again, that's where the protection's at, where you want the best, so you don't have any issues.
Awesome. It's well worth this. This Line-X is well worth it.
Yes.
In gold. Guys, like you heard Dustin say that they put an extra thickness layer down here on the high use areas, which is awesome. Well guys, once again, if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'd like to thank Dustin here of Line-X of Williamsport and Brent and Brandon for helping us get this done. And I'll also put their links in the description, so run over to their Facebook pages, hit them up, give them a big thumbs up. And if there's anything you guys want on Line-X, give these guys a call, because as you've seen throughout the video, I threw their phone numbers and their addresses up there. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Here's Dustin. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll it. Line-X of Williamsport.